Did you know that the right humidity levels can significantly improve your sleep and skin health? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of humidifiers. From their basic mechanics to surprising fun facts, we'll uncover how these handy devices can make your life better. Let's get started. A humidifier is a device that adds moisture to the air, helping to maintain an optimal humidity level in your home. But how does it actually work? Most humidifiers use a simple mechanism. Water is stored in a reservoir and then released into the air either as a fine mist or vapor. There are several types of humidifiers, each with a unique way of adding moisture. Ultrasonic humidifiers use ultrasonic vibrations to create a fine mist. Evaporative humidifiers, on the other hand, use a fan to evaporate water. And steam vaporizers heat water to produce steam. Now, for some fun facts. Did you know that the concept of humidifiers dates back to ancient times? People used to place bowls of water near heat sources to add moisture to the air. Today, modern humidifiers are much more efficient and convenient. Maintaining the right humidity levels can also have amazing health benefits. Humidifiers help keep your skin hydrated, preventing dryness and irritation. They can also improve your sleep quality by reducing snoring and keeping your nasal passages clear. In fact, research shows that maintaining indoor humidity levels between 40 to 60% can significantly improve overall comfort and health. It's no wonder that more and more people are incorporating humidifiers into their daily routines. So, there you have it. Humidifiers are not only fascinating devices, but also incredibly beneficial for your health and well-being. If you found this video informative and fun, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Share your thoughts and experiences with humidifiers in the comments below. Thanks for watching.